Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Midea portable air conditioner not blowing cold air, compressor, filter and mode fix. Fix 1 is make sure cool mode is selected. Turn on the air conditioner, press the mode button until cool mode is selected. Then set the temperature lower than the current room temperature. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for the compressor to start. Second one is clean the air filter. Turn off and unplug the unit, then remove the air filter from the back or side panel. Wash it with warm water and let it dry completely. Then reinstall the filter and turn the unit back on. Third one is reset the air conditioner. Turn off the unit and unplug it, then wait 5 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on. Then select cool mode and test the cooling. Fourth one is empty the water tank. Turn off the air conditioner, place a container under the drain plug, then remove the drain plug and let all the water drain out. Then reinstall the plug and restart the unit. Fifth one is check the exhaust hose. Make sure the exhaust hose is connected tightly, then tighten any bends or kinks. Then ensure the hose is not blocked or damaged. Thanks for watching.